Hey guys, this is Jason, Colorado Mountain Man Survival. I'm out here with Donnie with Paleo Tracks. We're out here rattlesnake hunting. Donnie's got a turkey license. We're also looking for turkeys, but we did stumble across a snake. He's in that tree. We haven't had any luck. It's lunchtime, so we figured, where are you at? We figured we'll skin this guy, cook him up. He's pretty pissed off, but we're gonna eat this guy. Nice skin. Donnie needs some skin for his bow, right? You're gonna make a bow?
Yeah, we'll back him.
So we're gonna back it with that bow, but we're gonna dispatch this snake, and well, we're in a good spot right here. A lot of resources, a lot of wood. We'll cook him up real fast and show you what it have to do to skin and cook a snake. We would remove his head and bury it, burn it, whatever, immediately. Don't really want to handle that head. If you can pick it up with sticks or tongs, because it could still strike.
I do realize that the sharks can smell the blood, right?
So if you want a snake to stop moving, just go through and just kind of snap its backbone. After it's dead, and it just stops moving.
Alrighty, so we found a little spot out of the sun, a little bit out of the wind. We're going to try to get a fire started. Donnie is currently working on burning in a fireboard with some cottonwood that's out here. He's going to try a mullein spindle. The mullein out here is not huge where we're at, so they're kind of questionable whether that one will work, but we're going to give it a shot. Collected some tinder, got some juniper bark, some clematis vines. I'm not sure, I've not used that to start a fire before, but I think that'd be some good kindling. I believe this is cottonwood bark, maybe. I'm not sure. Just found a bundle of bark on the ground and then some dried grass. But he's gonna keep working on this, get that spindle. Hopefully we'll get it going. What do you think, Donnie? Yeah, quick, real fast gathering wood or materials to make a fire. A little questionable, but we'll see. We'll see how well he does. No pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure. So we're seeing smoke, so that's kind of a good sign. We won't know yet, but smoke is always a good thing when you want fire.
Start those off. Those are appetizers.
That's disturbing.
Are they moving?
Yeah.
It's just muscles.
Anything you want to say about cooking snake?
Make sure it's cooked all the way through. It can burn, but it's not like it's being burned. It's just darkening out because it's a white meat and it's a fine meat. So when you eat it, sometimes you have to kind of pull the meat off the ribs. If you overcook it, you just wind up eating the ribs, but it's really a preference. I don't mind having a roasted snake like this. Sometimes I like to boil it up and then it just kind of all falls apart. It's very similar to fish, but a little bit more, it's a bit more rough. It's a bit more chewier.
Yeah, the bones are actually pretty big.
Yeah.
I feel, you know, it's a lot of bone in that meat there. Now I've heard, not tried it, but I've heard that water snake, like cottonmouth, water moccasin, like that, is really not very tasty meat.
Gotcha.
Because it tastes like the murky, mucky mud, the swamp that it swims in. So you're best to find like a land snake. So
let's hope this guy tastes like squirrels.
Right. Yeah, squirrels and Bambi or something. I don't know. But I've had copperhead, which was really good. You've had rattlesnake, right?
Yeah, I've had rattlesnake.
What do you think of rattlesnake?
It's a fat meat. It's got a good meat layer right around the back of the ribs and around. It's I find if you almost hold it and just kind of pull it off, you can get good hunks of meat. Sometimes you'll cook snake, and if you've ever had like crab meat, kind of comes off in this flaky like sort of texture and sort of composition, but it's pretty solid. You can already see the fats, a little bit of fats coming off this guy. Right there, yeah. See, it's starting to, it looks burnt, but it's not. It's just browning out. The meat's getting done.
You smell it. It smells pretty good. What do you think?
Tastes like chicken.
Right, so here's my chicken. Sorry, snake. It tastes like chicken. So if you're eating it and you find that it's not done all the way, see those big old bones, but if it's not done all the way, just eat the cooked pieces and then put it back on the fire. You know, you don't really want to eat raw meat out in the wild. But yeah, I mean, it does taste like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken in the Matrix.
Some pieces.
Good stuff. Big bones, so there's a lot of bones. Just pick through them. All right, I polished off that first piece pretty quick. Threw the bones in the fire. That one's a little well done. Donnie was slacking.
This is my bad.
But there's a nice piece right there. That, I guess you back strap. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. But it's still edible. You can eat it. Well, I guess not. But you can still eat some of it. So that's what happens to a snake if you overcook it. Ideally, if you want to get the most nutrients out of this, boil it, I think. Because all the fats, all the juices are going to be in the broth. You can drink that broth, save everything. But if you do it slow, nice and slow like this guy, keep it away from the direct flame. That way it doesn't burn like that one. You don't want to waste meat when you're out here. Or you can put them on a rock, cook them slowly like that. Again, just make sure you see that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice and moist on the inside still. Make sure it's not moist like that. Spread it out. Do the best you can. But, yeah, good stuff.
Well, I'm gonna have his. I'm gonna eat the snake's shoulder. Technically, if this was a part, this would be his knee, maybe his shoulder.
Yeah, I still think Aiden needs to eat the snake butt.
Come on, Aiden.
No.
Snake butt.
Why do you do this?
Is it tasty?
Always.
What do you think?
I don't even think I got meat.
Well, is it good?
It's just that little.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Kind of like chicken, but not really. It's like chicken, but more chewy.
It's pretty good. That's a good description. So we're done eating the snake. We're gonna head out, see what else we can find. But if you're interested in this kind of stuff, learning how to do the hand drill, the bow drill, foraging, learning how to do this type of stuff, check out our 7-day class in, I believe, August with Donnie. Donnie's coming out with Colorado Mountain Men Survival, Paleo Tracks. and we're going to do a 7-day class that deals with coming out into the woods like this and really not having anything and knowing what to do when you're out here with absolutely nothing. But we're going to continue on. If you have any questions or comments about this snake, just ask and I'll answer as soon as I possibly can.